Bestway above ground swimming pool, 12 by 32 by 52 inches. All the products in this video are listed and tagged in the description box below. If any of these items are no longer in stock, the next closest item will be linked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. So this summer, my husband and I decided to go ahead and get the kids what they've wanted for a while now, which is this above ground swimming pool. But a lot of prep work had to be done first, so we needed the backyard to be leveled. By no means is our backyard leveled at any point. So we called in some land leveling experts using the app Thumbtack. No, they're not sponsoring this video. What I like best about the app is that it offers real-time messaging, and they did a pretty good job. Not gonna lie. They were great. So last year we decided on this above ground swimming pool and finally pulled the trigger on it, and it was the best decision ever. As you can see here, they're leveling the ground because the pool just has to be on leveled ground, especially if you want it to last, and also for warranty purposes. Over here now you can see that we are putting in some cinder blocks. We went to Lowe's and we got some cinder blocks and also the foam boards, and we put the cement blocks down and we filled them up with the rocks that you just seen, and also we filled in every couple feet with cement to secure it. The cement blocks, as you can see, works as kind of like the frame around where the ground leveling happened. That way the ground is supported. And now we're gonna lay the foam boards. This is our first time doing such a project, so ideally, yeah, probably don't follow this step by step, but know that the project that you have lying on your heart can be done. All right, so right now we're outside putting down the base. Right there. This is what we're using. And we're taping the seams together. And that's gonna be what goes directly under the pool. We used a total of 9 half-inch foam boards, and my husband went ahead and pulled out the pool. I didn't get to capture it on video, but this is it. We laid it out, and now we're putting all the legs in place. I love that this is a project that the kids are so excited and willing to help you to do because they can't wait to take a first swim. This pool is easy to assemble. It has corrosion and rust resistant metal frames and side walls that have Tri-Tech material encasing a layer of high quality polyester mesh between 2 layers of strong PVC, increasing the durability. And it also includes a 2,000 gallon sand filter pump and a ladder and a garden hose drain adapter. And no, Bestway is not sponsoring this video. Okay, so it's the next morning. Takes us about 3 days, 2 nights, including like the 12 or so hours it takes to fill it with water. We're placing the frame parts around it. We're gonna lay it all out and then put it together. And if you look at the screen on the bottom left corner, you're gonna see those 16 by 16 pavers. We're gonna use 1 paver for each leg to put it under to support the legs and the weight of the pool. This whole pool experience offers so many great opportunities, including the opportunity to work closely with your kids and to communicate with them and your spouse or your significant other. To be able to see if you take direction well or if you can give direction well. So it comes with many perks that are not mentioned in the instruction manual. So let me know if you are putting up one of these above ground pools this year, and if it's your first time. Comment down below. Let me know. Ask me any questions that you might have, and let me know what your experience has been. Mom's going in for the high five. Good job, baby boy. This really does take a group effort. There's something for everyone to help with, for sure. Try. Yeah. Yep. It really is that simple. If you are considering whether or not you should go ahead and go for this and try this, if you have a couple of friends or people who can be there to support you and help you to get through this, you guys can absolutely do it. This is how it's looking so far. We did not yet put the pavers, the 16 by 16 pavers underneath each leg. We'll do that once we have everything standing and before we put in the water. So it's looking good. So far so good, guys. Oh no, he's losing his grip. There it goes. My son is being so helpful because he wants to swim so bad. But where's his sister? Where's she at? Oh, here she comes when all the work is done. So far so good on the leveling over here on this side, and looks good. We're right in the middle. Now we're going to put some of these pavers down under each leg, as you see we're doing here. Did I mention how hot it is out here? It's scorching hot. The sun is blazing. 2 minimum requirements that we do out when we come out here is 1, we use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen, a broad spectrum of SPF 70. It's a weightless clean feel. No, they are not sponsoring this video. And we definitely stay hydrated. Each of my kids have one of these water bottles that tell you the time of day and where they should be at approximately with their water intake. I'll definitely have these products linked for you in the description box below. Oh, how I love father and son projects. They're putting together the stairs for the pool. I am not a fan of the stairs for the pool. As you can see here, it's very narrow. I think that they should, it should be more wide. Hopefully we could come across something a lot better to replace these stairs with. So let me tell you this now. One challenge that we had, or an area of opportunity, I would say, is that once you start putting the water, once you start filling up the pool, go ahead and start sweeping the bottom of the pool to make sure that you have no crinkles or no wrinkles at the bottom. You see how much water I have right there while I'm doing it? I waited too long. Had I done it a lot sooner, it would have been a lot easier, because I'm doing it now but barely any crinkles are moving, and it's important for you to have no folds or crinkles at the bottom of the pool. Fortunately, we didn't have any wrinkles big enough to cause any trips or any discomfort. My son's already in there enjoying the pool. That right there on the side of the pool is the catcher. It catches like any debris that we might have in the pool. It's still filling up right now, and yes, as you fill up your pool, it will naturally start to bow as it fills, and then it will straighten out once it's filled. This pool here came with a 2,000-gallon water sand filter, but we weren't too pleased with it. It's just the bottom line one that they just stick in the box for you to have. So we upgraded to this one, the 2,800-gallon water sand pump. We put it on a timer, and it seems to be working well for us and much better. It took a bit to get it started, but we got it started. There goes the catcher, catching any and all debris. And of course, we had family come over. You know, everybody has to come and visit the pool, because having a pool is like having a new baby. Everyone has to come by and see the new baby. And this is, yes, our new baby. This is the outside of the pool. We will embellish later on. It's looking pretty good. Everything's going so well, so smoothly. We're so glad we did this. Best decision ever. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, much love.